If you have an 1.5 inch pipe with a fitting that is not glued but it's stuck on the pipe, this is what you do. Grab a screwdriver that fits inside the pipe. Grab it by this type of end, and then put it in there to where the line is in between the pipe and the fitting. Then just keep wiggling it around. It should start moving. And after a couple times, it should loosen up, slowly loosening up. There's dirt inside this, so it's making it harder. It's coming out slowly. It's actually almost done. There you go. It is dirty on the inside. The dirt was holding it in place, but it worked on any fitting. 45 degrees. The 90-degree ones. Works on these 90-degree ones. These 45 degree. Just make sure they're not glued, or else this will not work. These two are glued together.